Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your finances with Intuit TurboTax, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Intuit TurboTax website. Click on the Start for Free button on the home page. Create an account by entering your email and a secure password. Check your email for a confirmation message and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to your TurboTax account. Select the tax year you need assistance with. Choose the package that best fits your financial situation. For beginners, consider selecting the free edition for straightforward tax filings. Next, gather all necessary documents such as W-2s, 1099s, and any other income statements. TurboTax will prompt you to enter your income details step by step. Follow the guided prompts to input your information accurately. Be sure to take advantage of helpful tips and explanations provided throughout the process. Once your income is entered, TurboTax will guide you through deductions and credits. Enter details related to any deductions you're eligible for, such as student loans or business expenses. After entering your information, TurboTax will automatically calculate your refund or amount owed. Review your entries carefully to ensure everything is correct. Use the review feature to check for potential errors or missed opportunities for savings. When everything looks good, proceed to file your taxes. Choose whether to file electronically or print your forms to mail them. If filing electronically, follow the prompts to submit your return directly to the IRS. With TurboTax, you can also access expert advice if you have specific questions or concerns. Explore additional resources on the TurboTax website for ongoing financial education. Be proactive about monitoring your financial health throughout the year. Consider using TurboTax's financial tools to track your expenses and budget. This comprehensive approach will help you protect your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.